We've already had some practice working with the verb to know, which is saber. For example, how would you say, I want to know? Quiero saber. I want to know where it is. Quiero saber dónde está. To say I know is very short and simple. It's just sé, spelled S-E with an accent over the E. So sé means I know. How would you say I don't know? No sé. No sé. And I don't know it. No lo sé. We have no lo sé, but you hear it in real life pronunciation, all contracted together. No lo sé. No lo sé. How would you say, I know where it is? Sé dónde está. I'm sorry, but I don't know where it is. Lo siento, pero no sé dónde está. We begin with I'm sorry, but lo siento, pero, and then I don't know would be no sé where it is, dónde está. How would you say I don't know if she's ready? Be careful with this one. No sé si está lista. Breaking this one down, we begin with I don't know. No sé. If is expressed with si. And then she is ready. Well, she is going to be está. And it's lista, ending in an A because we're talking about her. Remember that being ready is something to do with it's not a permanent thing, it's temporary. So here we have she is ready expressed with está lista. No sé si está lista. This is why sometimes we have to really slow down and think things out step by step, because it's very easy to make a little mistake. Try to say, I'm sorry, but I don't know it. Lo siento, pero no lo sé. I'm sorry, but, again with lo siento, pero, and I don't know it would be no lo sé. To say he knows, she knows, or it knows is all expressed with sabe, sabe. So we have sé for I know and sabe for he, she, and it knows. Try to say he knows where it is. Sabe dónde está. She doesn't know where it is now. No sabe dónde está ahora. Here we have she doesn't know, all expressed with no sabe, because remember in Spanish we don't have the do and the don't, the doesn't, things like that. It's more literal, like she knows not. Sabe for she knows, and no sabe, she knows not. So all of this she doesn't know is expressed with no sabe. Where it is, donde está, now, ahora. Try to say he doesn't know how she is today. Again, be careful with this one. No sabe cómo está hoy. We have he doesn't know, again expressed with no sabe, he knows not, how she is, cómo está, because está, remember, is being used for how she's doing or how she's feeling today. Cómo está hoy. If we wanted to make it crystal clear that we were asking he doesn't know how she is today, we would just throw in our clarifier. So, no sabe cómo está ella hoy. But if it's understood in the context of the conversation, then you wouldn't need to put that clarifier in. Try to say, he knows how to do it. Sabe cómo hacerlo. So sabe, he knows how to do it, cómo hacerlo. What about she knows how to make it? Sabe cómo hacerlo. It's the same thing. The reason is because sabe will mean both he knows and she knows. And hacer, remember, can be a verb for to do or to make. So here it's functioning as to make. She knows how to make it. Sabe cómo hacerlo. If we wanted to make it explicit that we were saying she knows how to make it, how would you do that? Make that sentence explicit. Ella sabe cómo hacerlo. So we're making a statement, and very often when you do that, the clarifier is at the front of the sentence. Ella sabe, the same as English, she knows. Ella sabe cómo hacerlo. He doesn't know where I can find the book. No sabe dónde puedo encontrar el libro. He doesn't know, all expressed with no sabe, where I can find. Dónde puedo encontrar the book, el libro. Try to ask, why doesn't she know how to do it? ¿Por qué no sabe cómo hacerlo? Beginning with why, por qué, and doesn't she know, all expressed with no sabe, how to do it, cómo hacerlo. I want to know how to do it. Quiero saber cómo hacerlo. Here we're able to use the full verb saber to know because we have this handle at the front. I want to know. Quiero saber cómo hacerlo. Try to say, he wants to know how to do it. Quiere saber cómo hacerlo. All we did was switch now to quiere for he wants. Quiere saber, he wants to know. So we have sabe for he, she, or it knows. To say you know, we take sabe and we just add an S to the end. So it would become sabes. Sabes. We have se for I know, sabe for he, she, it knows, and sabes for you know. Try to say now, do you know how to find it? ¿Sabes cómo encontrarlo? We have do you know, all expressed with sabes. How to find it, cómo encontrarlo. What about do you know where I can find her? Again, be careful with this one. ¿Sabes dónde puedo encontrarla? Do you know? Sabes. Do you know where? ¿Sabes dónde? I can puedo find her, encontrarla. So the verb is encontrar, to find, and then we have a useful little word tagged onto the end, la for her. To find her would be encontrarla. Try to say, do you know how I can find them? ¿Sabes cómo puedo encontrarlos? The only difference here is we're switching to los or to find them. It's another useful little word. ¿Sabes cómo? Do you know how I can find them? Puedo encontrarlos. Let's finish with a quick review. How would you say I know it? Lo sé. He knows it. Lo sabe. She doesn't know it. No lo sabe. You know it. Lo sabes. You don't know where it is. No sabes dónde está.